I'm afraid of heights. Wait a minute.
Yes.
I'm afraid of heights. I'm looking there to the right there.
Well, you should get online. Is that here?
Okay. Okay.
So guys, I'm in Florida. I left Atlanta yesterday to come meet my husband. So they went for a ship cruise and I didn't go with them because I want to see my sister and her family. So hopefully next year I'll be joining them for the ship cruise. So we are here at Walmart because I need to pick some things that I need. Yeah. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe, like, share, and of course leave a comment. Let's go into the Walmart and get some things we need. I need some skincare. The sun here is not friendly at all, so I need to get my sunscreen, protect my skin, because I realize I'm even getting dark already. The sun is hitting me so bad and it's doing some things to my skin and I don't like it. So I need to get some sunscreen and some other stuff that I need. Got you guys, let's do this. That cute. Get online though.
A few moments later.
Take the exit, then keep right.
So we're going to Burlington. Guess I'm still
Don't you wish that was you?
I don't mind. I'd like to go, like I told you earlier. I don't mind doing
Oh, we need to figure. I need to get this money together for this. Oh shoot!
that. What is it?
A few moments later.
I'm getting some help doing this, and it's over. And so I said, okay. But even when I preach, it's different.
You guys are fine. You guys are fine.
I want to be a part of this. So if I'm hearing it correctly, that first one is one person, $45 for 2 people. Oh, that was 5 minutes.
No, All prices are final
Same
prices for
minimum.
passengers.
I wasn't there to right there.
Fun, like we had fun. But my husband, I told him to make a video of me. Don't worry, I'm not gonna do that to you. He had fun too. Look at his head.
That's Dale coming back.
We're definitely coming back when we come back to Florida.
Oh my god, guys. Oh, they're coming back. See, these guys probably did like 5 minutes on. We did like 9 minutes. They're back. When they were bringing you down, they said a video, my body was confused.
I'm being honest with you. I forgot how afraid of heights I was. And see, you just see people in airplanes, you don't think about them in helicopters. But the moment when I got ready to go, I was like,
I knew, like when you said,
I'm afraid of heights. Wait a minute.
yes.
I'm afraid of heights.
So guys, I had fun, like so much fun on that helicopter. And all thanks to my baby. He took me there, he made sure I had fun. He said, baby, pick whatever you want. So they have different timing. If you want 4 minutes, you pay that's like $90, right, baby? If you want $110 and $10, $120 something dollars. I think it's $55 for 6 minutes, 6 to 9 minutes. So we did 6 to 9 minutes. That's what we did. And guys, I had fun. Woo! Woo! That's a good experience. Oh, still in Florida. We're exploring Florida. It's so much fun.